Yo, what's up, guys? This is Sam Play Games, and we are in the same topic as the last video. The last video we did this, right? Also, today we are adding sound and adding rebirth. How can we do it? So today we are going to add it. So first we got the script, right? We doesn't have sound. How can we add it? You got the first strike, right? When you create, you always get this. And get the sound right here. On the third top thing. And you will see the sound meow. That's what it looks like. That is how it looks like. Okay, so we add this. We got this. Very cool, right? Okay, so how can we do a rebirth button? First, there's two steps to make it. Step one, paint, or choose a sprite. Let me choose a sprite. I'll pick button 3 for example, and put in the corner. Step 2, add rebirth in type. It is on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the third right. So we got the rebirth, right? You could change colors. For example, like this. Okay, so how can we make a rebirth? Okay, so first we add the green flag click. Then add a new variable called rebirth. Then rebirth multiplier. Rebirth multiplier. Rebirth or rebirth multiplier. Okay, we got our rebirth multiplier. I'll add this and rebirth cost. We got cost, right? Okay, so how can we add cost? The cost costs 0, right? So, how can we do it? My project not saved. Okay, finally, it is saved. Okay, so set cost to any number that's not too high. Let's say my cost set to 500. That's around the good price. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Then we add the sprite click. If the person have enough money for cars or over that money, they could do it. Okay, then add the variable equal cost. Cat count. Okay, so then ask the question, do you want to rebirth? And wait, if the question answered yes, If the answer says yes, then ask the question again. Are you sure it is not undone? And if the person says yes for 2 times, that means the progress will reset to 0. How can we reset to 0? So, first we check this and this. Set clock per second to 0. And our rebirth multiplier change rebirth multiplier by 1. And no, I mean rebirth by 1 and change rebirth multiplier by rebirth multiplier. Or 1, 2, 3, anything. And we set the rebirth multiplier to 1. Auto sprite. How can we boost this? So we got change cat per second by cat per second, right? No, I mean rebirth multiplier, right? And then our sprite change cat count by rebirth multiplier. Perfect. So we got it, right? And then say your rebirth. Oh, never mind. We add this button, or should I say operation? Your rebirth multiplier from change from. We add the extra space because when you do this, it doesn't have space. Rebirth multiplier divided by 2. And then add space. Make an arrow if you want. Or then you do rebirth multi. I will add the extra one times. And then boom. We got it. Doing this and this. Else you don't have enough. Okay, we got it, right? Okay, we have to set rebirth multiplier. How can we do it? Forever block inside when the green flag click. Set rebirth multiplier to rebirth multiplier time. We save it. Okay, then we remove the rebirth multiplier and then bam. We got it, right? But let's join this and this. duplicate this rebirth multiplier times 2. And then join rebirth then add rebirth plus 1. You could add parentheses if you want. I'll add the parentheses. Okay, we got it right. Let's check cat count to 500, right? But before we do it, we have to increase the cost. Change cost by, let's say, cost time 2.3. Then we could do it. Okay, we got it. Let's check cat count to 500. What will happen? Do you want to rebirth? Yeah. Yes. I'll rebirth multiplier change to 2. And 2 take our rebirth multiplier. This is the next rebirth. Oh yeah. It's working. So, bye guys.